Dear friends, Namaskar. In this video, we try to solve a simple problem on networks by drawing network diagram and finding critical path and project duration. In the problem, the activities and the time durations are given. Activities are indicated as 1, 2, 2, 3, etc. That is, first activity starting event number is 1 and the ending event number is 2. Second activity starting event number is 2 and ending event number is 3, and so on. With the help of the data given, let us construct network diagrams. Activity 1, 2 is drawn with starting number as 1 and ending number as 2, marking arrow towards 2 with time 18 days. Similarly, activities 2, 3 is drawn. Activities 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5 are drawn with arrow marks and times. Activities 3, 5 and 4, 5 are drawn in the same way. Activity 5, 6 is drawn with arrow mark and times. This way we have drawn the network diagram for the given data of the problem. We are asked to calculate the critical path of the given project. In this, we need to know the slack of each event. We know slack is equal to latest event time minus earliest event time. We need to calculate the latest events LET and earliest event EETs of each event. To calculate earliest event time, we have to assume first event time EET as 0. Activity 1, 2 EETS is equal to 0. Activity 1 to EETF is equal to EETS plus TE is equal to 0 plus 18 is equal to 18. In the same way, activity 2, 3 EET is equal to 18. EETF is equal to EETS plus TE, that is 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. Similarly, calculate activity 2, 4 EETs is equal to 18. EETF is equal to 18 plus 12, 30. Since activities 2, 5, 3, 5 and 4, 5 are merging into event number 5, we need to calculate EETF through all these paths and obtain the 28, 31 and 30 and 46 as EETF, and take maximum of the value 46 as EETF of event number 5. EETF of event number 6 is equal to 46 plus 17 is equal to 63. This way we calculate EETs of all the events. To calculate latest event times, we have to assume earliest event time is equal to latest event time of the last event. In the problem, the last event number is 6 and its earliest event number is equal to 63. We assume LET of event number 6 as 63 and follow backward path to calculate latest event times of other events. Latest event time of event number 5 is equal to LETF minus TE, that is equal to 63 minus 17 is equal to 46. Similarly, we calculate the latest event number of event number 4, 46 minus 16, 30, and the latest event number of 3 is equal to 46 minus 7 is equal to 39. To calculate the latest event time of last number 2, event number 2, and since there are 3 activities are branching off from it, we need to calculate latest event times through each path and take minimum value of them as latest event of event number 2. In the process, we got 39 minus 6 is equal to 33, 46 minus 10 is equal to 36, and 30 minus 12 is equal to 18 as LETs, and 18 being the minimum, it is the latest event time of event number 2. This way we calculate the latest event time of event number 1 is 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. This way we have calculated all the EETs and LETs. Now let us calculate slack for each event using equation slack is equal to LET minus EET. We get for event numbers 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 slacks as 0. And for event number 3 as 39 minus 12, 24 is equal to 15. We know the critical path is the path which connects 0 slack events. Hence required critical path is 1 2, 2 4, 4 5 and 5 6. The project duration is equal to 63 days. This way the network problems can be solved. Have a nice learning day. To download solution, click on the link given in the description box.